Hello. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a YouTube channel. Using the YouTube app on your Android device, let's get started. Open the YouTube app. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap on your channel to begin the process. Here you're able to add profile image, name and handle for YouTube channel. Upload a profile picture to make it visually appealing. I select this cartoons image. Because I create this channel as cartoons channel, you can select related to your content. Add a channel name to let viewers know what your channel is about. Give your channel name related to your content is good. It is easy for viewers to understand what you will post on this channel. I'll give this channel name Cartoons Network. Here you can also give your channel handle. Make sure that your channel name and handle are same. It will make it easier for viewers to search your channel. They have auto-generated a channel handle for me. I let it be my channel handle. Now it's time to tap on Create Channel. Congratulations, here is your channel. Here you can manage your channel videos, and you're able to view channel analytics and customize your channel more. Let Customize Channel More by tap on this pencil button. Here you're able to change your channel name and handle if you want to change again. Okay, let's add description about channel. It's let viewers know what your channel is about. Here we have to tell about our channel, what viewers will get to see on this channel. From here you can customize your subscriber to show your subscribers to your viewers or not. If you uncheck it, no one will see how many subscribers you have on your channel. I want to show my number of subscribers to viewers, so I'll go with check. You can select the YouTube banner image. From this upper camera button, tap on Choose from Gallery and select an image from here that you want to put on your YouTube banner. Now I select this image to use. You can create a nice image for your channel using Canva. How to create a profile and banner image for YouTube using Canva. You can see in my video by visiting my channel. And here we have done more settings of our channel. Have set the name, set the profile image, and managed the subscribers, etc. Now let's go back and look at the other settings of the channel. Here at Home section you can see the videos that you have posted in your channel, and you can also create a playlist of your videos. And for related videos you should create a playlist. As this is a cartoon channel, so if I post Doraemon cartoons, then create a Doraemon playlist in one. And if I post Mr. Bean cartoons, so I have to create one other playlist for Mr. Bean. And here in the About section you can see the description and the link of the channel, etc. And here you can also see when you created your channel. And how many views have been received on all your videos will also be shown here. Tap on this button. Here you can see the analytics of your channel. How many views your videos have, how many watch times, and how many subscribers your channel has. And one more essential thing that you must have is YouTube Studio. With YouTube Studio you can customize your channel very well. From your mobile phone, open Play Store to download YouTube Studio. And search YouTube Studio. And you can see it here is YouTube Studio. I already have YouTube Studio downloaded. If you don't have it, you can download YouTube Studio from here. And now open YouTube Studio if you have downloaded it. And here you will see your channel. If you have opened YouTube Studio for the first time, then you will have to sign in with the ID with which you have created the YouTube channel. Then you will see your channel here. In this content section, you will see the videos you have uploaded so far, and in the analytics section, you can see your videos, watch views, etc. And here you can see a lot more about your videos, like how many views your video has, in which country your videos are being watched the most, and how many people of age are watching your videos, and how many men are watching and how many women are watching your videos. Such information can be viewed from here. You can explore more to learn YouTube Studio so that you can learn how to play it well. And on this comment section, you can see the comments on your videos, and you should see people's comments and reply them so that people stay engaged with you. And this last section is earn. From here you can see how you can earn from YouTube. If you want to know how to earn from YouTube, then comment me, I will make a video on it. There are more than one ways to earn from YouTube. One is to earn through ads on videos, and there are 2 to 3 other ways. If you request, I will make that video for you. And scroll down a bit here, you can see what are the specifications for monetizing a YouTube channel. To monetize a YouTube channel, it is necessary to have 1,000 subscribers, and also to have a 4,000 hours of watch time. And if you want to monetize the channel by creating up shorts, so you have to complete 10 million views on shorts. And also click on Email Me button here to get mail when your monetization criteria are complete. And also turn on 2-factor authentication so that your channel is secure. And congratulations, your channel has been created. Now upload your videos on it on a daily basis. Thanks for watching this video. And do subscribe for more videos like this.